Hi, I drew this large ink drawing of a tree from the park near me using my wooden stick pens. You can get some lovely lines just by dipping the wooden pens, really nice thick sweeps of trunks down to very, very fine lines. I've got quite a few of the pens actually. Here's a few of them, so you can see there's different points, different lines. Most of these are just carved driftwood pieces. One there on the right hand side is a sharpened chopstick. Excuse me. They're quite easy to use. You just dip them into Indian ink. Make sure it's waterproof if you want to do line and wash. If it's just an ink drawing, it doesn't matter too much. And then you can basically just draw with them. Obviously you have to keep dipping them because they only retain so much ink on the end, and they can drip and run a little bit if you're not careful. So you do have to beware and be aware of the fact they can be a bit messy until you get used to them. But they're really, really nice for nice branches that start off really thick and then taper out and become fainter. You can actually end up with some nice dry brush effects as well as some really good dark, almost Edward Wesson or Roland Hilder type effects for the trees, which is especially nice in line and wash. For this demonstration, for this demonstration, I'm only going to be doing a couple of ink drawings to show you how to use the pens and to demonstrate how I draw these quite sort of stylized and wild silhouetted trees. I'll be doing another video where I paint them. The finer the pen, the finer the branches that you can pull up. You can pull out sticks and twigs and little shapes and things from the wet ink that's already there on the page with these finely pointed pens. I think this one, as I say, is a chopstick that's been sharpened in a normal pencil sharpener to a nice fine point. It's quite a hard wood, so it actually works well for detail. Back again to my thick and favourite driftwood pen. Oh, and now back again to the thin one. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this, and I hope you'll give it a go. That's just about done. We'll just use the side to bring up a sort of a base and some thicker branches and some more character to it, just to finish it off. And then I'll show you another one. I'll do a speeded up version, a time-lapse version of another tree by the side of a river with reflections. If you like this sort of videos, please leave me a comment below, and I'm sure I'll be doing more of these line work videos as well as the more usual watercolour painting ones. And if you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. And it would be lovely to have you along to watch and enjoy this journey, learning to draw and paint. Many thanks. Bye.